wanted to do an update for a while on my 2019 Beta 200 RR. As you can see, she's quite far from stock. I think I have about 125 hours on it now. I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough, kind of go through some of the things that I've done, and yeah, I love this bike. This bike does everything great for me that I want. Any hill I want to climb, I don't really have an issue. It's never the bike. If there is an issue, it's always the rider, of course. But anyway, just give a little pirouette over here. Old Bella, the Italian princess. And we'll start top to bottom, I guess, front to back. Did the Baja Designs Squadron Pro. I don't know, whatever, almost 5,000 lumens. It's pretty cut and dry for installation. Love it. Do a lot of night riding. Works out great. Changes the headlight switch from just on and off, which I like. I mean, who wants to run a headlight in the daytime? Let's see, bark busters, pretty standard. Handlebars, back to stock. I've gone back and forth a few times with my flex bars and stock bars. You know, I've got grip heaters on it because my hands get cold. In wintertime, I like riding all year, and I hate cold hands. So I run the grip heaters, whatever, Chinese grip heaters. Got a little plate there to raise the speedo up, and got my grip heater switch. You can see a little tool bag, just, you know, something to keep the old Glock 43 and cell phone in, both in case of emergency. Let's see. Yeah, I've had the relocated the start button to the left. I like that. And I relocated the map switch to the locking key there. I don't ever use it. I should just take it off. Let's see. You can see the red plastics. Got those last year. These are the, let's see, 6 Days Graphics Bawana edition from Chile. I think it's 2018 graphics. I love the Beta factory stock graphics. They are high quality. As you can see, that's not the standard suspension. When I bought the bike, I did a BYOB program, and I did the factory suspension upgrade. Well, since then, I guess, yeah, well, recently, about the 120 hour mark, I sent them back to Beta. Had them revalved, because initially I had them valved for enduro and GNCC type riding. Well, I don't really do that anymore, so I had it revalved for hard enduro. And oh my gosh, what a difference. It's like riding on a cloud of baby ducks. So plush, so slick, absolutely amazing. Let's see. Yeah, you see the pipe guard. She's had some action. And these are the Unabiker radiator guards. They're actually for a KTM 250 and 300 and Beta 250 300. A lot of people don't realize that, but many of the Beta parts are interchangeable throughout different Betas and different years of Japanese bikes. Take, for instance, the wheels and calipers. I believe these calipers are off, I mean, they fit several years of Hondas. And these are the Inteck rotors, not calipers, sorry, rotors. I got this last year. I have maybe 10 hours on them. I've got the solid in the rear, love them. Just wanted to have a little strength. Let's see, that is a shorty for a 300, Beta 300. I put that, was one of the first things I put on the bike. Didn't really make it any louder. I've always tried to lighten this bike up. I mean, make it fun, small, light, and fast. I did the Raptor foot bags to kind of help with that, whatever, titanium. And I've had them suckers on, I bet I have, I don't know, 60, 70 hours on those. And as you can see, there's they'll still cut your leg up. You got to watch out when you're putting the bike on the bike stand in shorts. Yeah, it's caught me a few times. I did the this spring upgrade here. I forgot what it is. Did the rear brake pedal and that little whatever tree stopping arm, brush arm, I don't know, whatever you call it. I've got the shark fin rear disc guard. You can see she's seen some action. I've got the TMDesigns full skid plate. That was part of the BYOB program. I had it straight from the factory. Oh yeah, I forgot, whatever, those arc levers. They've held up well. I mean, I enjoy them. One thing I do love about the stock bars is I can run, I've just got small hands, and I like that I can move the levers in, the mounting in, and grab the end of the lever for more leverage. Who'd have thunk? Lever for leverage. Let's see here. I did a TMDesigns chain slider, chain guard, different sprocket. And if you got a beta, you got to get this flat piece here, because she'll sink in dang near concrete. I've got gold chain, of course, whatever, O-ring. Got to have the O-ring. I do not run the oil injection any longer. I just go straight premix. Let's see. I think I did some sort of TM design, chain roller, something, blah 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 under there. I don't really know. Like I said, 120 hours on it. I've rebuilt. Let's see. I've rebuilt rear brake master cylinder, the clutch cylinder. Just like a little piston in here with this weird goofy design, but it works. Rebuilt both brake master cylinders, clutch sleeve cylinder. Yeah, I mean that's kind of it. She's been a champ, and we'll get you in and out of any jam you can think of. Run tubeless front and rear. Always 5 psi in the back, regardless. And then I do the what are these? The IRC Gekota. Super gum. I mean, gummy boy. I like those slick rocks. Here recently, I did this whatever P3 carbon discard thing. Trying to keep it light, but I'm surprised. That thing's actually kind of heavy, heavier than expected. But yeah. Anyway, she's been a rock star.